Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well today. I hope that you are dry and warm. We just got rain at our house. I hope some of you got to see some good snow. We just got a little dusting, so it wasn't as fun as I thought it was going to be. Okay, so per my announcement that I just sent out on Remind, I am doing an instructional video to show you how to do peer review online, because if we don't have school tomorrow or if we're delayed, then you're going to have to do online peer review. So here's what we do. First things first, we're going to come down to assignments and course materials and click here. You'll see that I've put here at the top, final proposal peer review. Again, in bold, this only applies if we don't have class on Monday. So click on each final proposal group until you see your name. Make sure you watch the instructional video, which you're doing now, and read the directions at the top of the group link. You must peer review everyone's paper in your group. The deadline to upload your paper is tomorrow at 8 a.m., which is class time. That's the same deadline you had before. The deadline to review papers is Tuesday morning by class time. Right here, you'll see the peer review sheet. I'm going to suggest that you download that, save a copy to your computer, and then that way you can refer back to it as needed. Okay, so we click on this link right here, and you'll see that there are a whole bunch of groups. I believe there are 8. I've put you in groups of 2. Here's the problem. If you do not upload your paper by the deadline tomorrow, then nobody has a paper to review because you're only in groups of 2. These papers are long enough that I did not want to put you in groups larger than that because you've got a lot of work to do. These are very long papers. Okay, so let's read the directions right here. Look for your name in the groups listed. That's the first thing we do. So let's click on Peer Review 1 and we'll see that Langley and Maddie are in this group. So we're looking at our names down here. So we see that. So we'll go back. Look for your name in the group listed, then upload your paper to the file exchange. Review each person's paper in your group using the peer review sheet provided. And you should have downloaded that from the link before this one. All right, so let's click on the group where you'll see the same instructions up front. Okay. Review each person's paper in your group using the peer review sheet provided. Once you've saved your changes to their paper and made your comments on the peer review sheet, upload both the paper and the peer review sheet back to the file exchange with the person's name on the file. So let's scroll down a little bit. This is the file exchange right here. So, for example, I would upload my own paper as Baker Proposal. Then I would upload my group member's paper like this. If I had Maddie as my group member, I would upload her paper with my edits on it as Woodall Paper Reviewed by Baker. Then I would upload Woodall Peer Review Sheet by Baker and say Bryant was also in our group. Then we might say Williams Paper Reviewed by Baker, Williams Peer Review Sheet by Baker. So really you should have 3 items in the file exchange. The file exchange is right here. So we're going to click on it and you'll see that there's nothing here. And if you're the first person to upload something, you'll see that it's blank. If somebody beats you to it, then you'll already see items here. Okay? So the first thing that we're going to do is click Add File, and then we're going to browse our computer for our own paper. So you will find your own paper. So Woodall Proposal, for example, if we're Maddie, we put that right here in the name, and then we would click Submit. I'm clicking Cancel because I don't have a document to submit. Okay? Then we would come back here and we would see Woodall paper or Baker paper, whoever you are, you have your proposal listed right here. Then you leave it there. Somebody else comes and uploads their paper, whoever else is in your group. You're going to download that to your computer, make your changes, and then once you've made your edits and done the peer review sheet, you will add file again, and that will be browse my computer. You'll upload the other person's all their documents right here and hit submit. Okay? So there should be 3 documents that you submit. Your own paper, their edited paper, and their peer review sheet. Okay? And that's really all there is to it. So again, we can go back to the group page and you've just got to search through and find out which group you're in, and then again, File Exchange is located right here. So it's really pretty simple. If you have any questions, you can remind text me, you can email me, but hopefully this is for if we're canceled or on a delay. If we're on a delay tomorrow, then of course our class will not meet. So if we're in class, be prepared. Okay? Any questions, let me know. You guys have a great day.